Okay, here we are demoing this nice little Olympic typewriter. As you can see, all the numbers work. Looks like that Q needs a little practice. You know, any older typewriter like this that's sat around for a while, the more you use it, the better it's going to work. But you can see it's lifting the ribbon and advancing the ribbon and everything that it's supposed to. The locks are on, shift works, the bell works, because that's something that off time goes on them. Coming up on the bell. See, the bell works. This fits on there nice and straight. Yeah, that fits on there nice and straight. This all works. That works. See that? That fits nice and tight. What a deal.